All right, this time at push, pull, and drag field, um, we're gonna see about the dealer truck. We're gonna show it to you. We're gonna talk about it. We're gonna clean it up because it is hideous. Um, it was strictly a parts truck. When I was signing the paperwork, I thought it was a trade-in. I'd always thought it was a trade-in. I thought, somebody just traded in this, and then they were like, "Oh, we need a parts truck." No, 2003, late 2003. It was ordered at Mobile, came to Monroeville to our dealership, and then when it was in the inventory, they absorbed it and made it a parts truck. Brand new. Had 2 miles on it. I mean, we were doing a lot of business back then to see a brand new parts truck, but it's pretty good. It's been a good parts truck. Anything that needed to be done to it, got done to it. It's kind of bare bones. I ain't got a lot of options. No cruise. It had just AM, FM radio, roll up windows, rubber floor mat, cloth seats, buddy seat, no fold down console, anything like that. Short bed, 2-wheel drive, fleet side. It is a cat eye, which is not my favorite of the trucks, but I got attached to this truck because we had to use it so much. We pulled cars that didn't run in with it. We hauled scrap metal with it. We pushed and pulled anything that needed to be done. This truck did it. So I mean, it's been a workhorse, but the dealership decided it was time to let it go. I didn't really think I was going to be able to get it, but they worked with me and was able to get it down to where I could get it. So I have a few plans for it. I got a parts truck or a donor truck for my Scottsdale, which I'm eventually going to LS swap when I get off my lazy butt. But it is a 04 Sierra, and it has power windows, power locks, cruise, all that good stuff. So I will be taking the dash out of this, and I know everybody's like, "No, all you gotta do is put the regulators and the door panels and then run you one wire across there." But I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna pull the dash. It's very simple. I gotta change the actuator anyway because it always gave fits on this truck. But I gotta change the actuator, so I pull the dash, put that dash in there, put all the dash stuff in there, put all the door stuff. It'll have power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Put the cruise switch in there because you don't have to do anything crazy on that. All you have to do is just put the cruise switch in there on V8 models because it's already got electronic throttle. But today, we're going to take care of some stuff that has aggravated me about the truck, which is this ugliness because it's broke and it's faded. And the fact that it looks like a bunch of hogs have been wallowing in it for its whole life, because basically it was, because we are a bunch of hogs at work. So we're going to clean it up, take a few things off, and you can join us. Watch us suffer. Away, broken mess.
What year would you say people were doing this stuff? The
04?
early 2000s?
04.
Yeah.
They put it on there. This thing's been on there since the truck was new.
That's all people had for, the PPF protections and stuff. They didn't have the wraps and stuff you could put on vehicles quite yet, so they just had bras that you would lay over.
A La Bra?
Yeah. Those were big in the early 2000s, bras on cars.
They were big from the 80s to the 90s.
Yeah.
Heck, I know some people who still ride around town with them on there, so I mean.
Comment below if you know of anyone that rides around with a bra on their car, and what kind of car.
Yeah, most of them were on Miatas. All right. You can tell where it's been broke right here for so long that's been washed off by just rain, because they hardly ever wash this truck. And then here is all the stuff that has been protected since 04.
All right, what are we doing?
We're about to wash this pig pen because, as I stated earlier, we haul junk iron in this thing. A lot of it. We've had this truck sitting like this. People in North Carolina pay a lot of money for that. But we've had it dragging the bump stops. We had it where we had to go 5 miles an hour to the junkyard because it was like, pow, every time you hit a bump, the rear end we hit. So we're going to get some degreaser and degrease it with a power washer, and hopefully we can get this to this pretty dang clean. Still got a little bit we got to get out. It keeps wanting to fill the bed up, you know, because of little drain holes. But a lot better than it was. I mean, not, you can't eat off of it, but why would you want to eat off the bed of a truck? All right, now to the outside. See if we can get it looking a little bit spiffier. Be better if Chase was in a bikini. Crazy person was burning rubber back there. I tried to stop him. Pollute the environment. Already got a new radio in it. Had it from another GMT 400. The cassette and CD player with the red lights that I forgot that I added for the Envoy that I had it in at one time. Had a lot of cars. Making little steps. Little steps. Alright. Well, we got what we want to accomplish today. Told you the story of the truck, why I got it, all that whatnots. Took the nasty bug guard off of it, washed it up. It's cleaned up pretty good. It's got a little bit of God, I gotta stand in front of the truck, JC tells me. Got a little bit of beats and bangs from years of throwing parts in it and everything. And I don't know when I'll get around to power window swapping it, but I'll be putting a flip down center console in it, you know, so you have an armrest, cruise control, stuff like that. So pretty good bit of stuff going to it. I got a lot of parts laying around that I can just throw on it, and that'll make for some quick and easy videos maybe that people will enjoy. But got another GMT 400. Had a lot of these trucks, so stay tuned and see what we do to it.